everyone! Today, I will show you how to make Sanrio Paper Squishies in a very easy way. They are so cute, aren't they? You can download the papercraft templates from Sanrio's official website, so it's pretty easy. Let's get started. I've got Cinamoroll, my melody, Kuromi, Hello Kitty, Little Twin Stars, and Pompompurin here. You can download the templates from sanrio.com. I put the URL in the description below. You can simply choose your favorite character and print the template using your printer. Once you have printed out the templates, you will also need scissors, cotton, sticky tape, glue tape, or a glue stick. Let's cut out the templates. Today we only use the face parts. Now you want to fold it along the lines. Now we want to add some glue. I am using glue tape, but you can use glue stick too. Now, let's put them together. Now, we are going to put some cotton. I am using cotton from my old pillow. Then, carefully close the box. Now, let's put some sticky tape on it. And cover its ears with sticky tape too. Now let's attach the ears to the face. Finally, it's done. Cinamoroll Paper Squishy. You can make squishy with your favorite Sanrio character. Please try it.